Preston tune coming from pianist Tim Ray. Also featuring Terry Lynn Carrington there on drums and John Patitucci on bass off Tim Ray's latest album, Excursions and Adventures. Billy Preston's Nothing from Nothing. Billy Preston released that back in 1974 on the album The Kids and Me, and the song reached number 1 on the Billboard Hot 100 chart for 1 week in October of 1974. Great song, Nothing from Nothing, and that was preceded by percussionist Ray Mantilla off his brand new album Rebirth. His take of Percy Mayfield's Hit the Road Jack, you probably know best well done by Ray Charles, featuring the Raylettes vocalist Margie Hendricks. Mike Freeman on vibes on that version from Ray Mantilla of Hit the Road Jack here on Jukebox Jazz on WRTI 90.1. And if you play a part in shaping the arts here in our region as a presenter, producer, or performer, you are essential to WRTI's mission to champion music. Well, that's why we created the Livestream Community Calendar. It's an online space to promote virtual concerts. So if you haven't listed your event there, you can do it right now. We will pick some of our favorite shows on the calendar and share them with our community. So add your event and check out what's already there. Go to WRTI.org and click on Livestream Community Calendar.
I did buy a car. I have not had a car for the past 22 years. I've walked everywhere.
That's composer Jennifer Higdon talking about new things she's been doing during this strange time. Join me, Susan Lewis, for our new series, Time In, where artists share their recent thoughts and discoveries about life today, from the commonplace to the quirky. That's Time In at WRTI.org.
All right, and you can make a difference in a child's life. It is increasingly difficult for schools and families to provide musical instruments for young musicians. Well, WRTI is a community drop-off point for Musicopia. Musicopia accepts all instruments, and the market value of your instrument is 100% tax deductible. So if you have an instrument that you would like to donate, please call 215-204-8405 to find out how easy it is to provide a life-changing opportunity for a budding musician. You're looking at 36 minutes after 6 o'clock here on Jukebox Jazz, the first of 3 hours of jazz versions of popular tunes. Hope you're having a great Saturday evening. And as promised, we are going to check out a song from the Jazz Album of the Week next. The name of the album, Blue Soul, and it comes from guitarist Dave Stryker with the WDR Big Band under the direction of Bob Minzer. I recommend checking out the post online at WRTI.org, and you'll see that right on the homepage. I thought we would check out the Jimmy Webb classic, Wichita Line Band. It'll feature Andy Hunter on trombone and Dave Stryker himself on guitar. We'll do another song off this album later on in the program as well. For now, it's Dave Stryker with Wichita Line Band, the Jazz Album of the Week, Blue Soul. Sweet Judy Blue Eyes from Eric Applegate and Time Child right here on WRTI 90.1. Bassist Eric Applegate featuring Ingrid Jensen there on trumpet and Kenyon Brenner doing some very nice tenor sax work on CSN's, Crosby, Stills and Nash's Sweet Judy Blue Eyes. Comes off Eric Applegate's album Woodstock. He covers a lot of great Woodstock artists on that album. Recommend checking it out. And before that, we heard a cut from the jazz album of the week entitled Blue Soul. And it comes from guitarist Dave Stryker with the WDR Big Band and under the direction of Bob Mintzer. And we heard their take of the Jimmy Webb written Glenn Campbell song, Wichita Lineman. It's been covered countless times. Definitely a classic. Wichita Lineman. From Dave Stryker, we'll hear another song off the jazz album of the week later on in the program here on WRTI, which is brought to you in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private, non-profit corporation created by Congress and funded by the American people.
You're listening to WRTI 90.1, a broadcast service of Temple University, where the new Charles Library hosts events, exhibits, performances, and workshops, free and open to the public.
Just about 8 minutes till 7 o'clock. Ryan Gottlieb here. We still have 2 hours left together of jazz versions of popular songs. We do it every